Hey everyone, it's EduSalvia here with a brand new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Vencord on your PC. Super simple and quick. First, open up your browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser works. Type in Vencord and go to the official site, vencord.dev. Once you're on the site, click Download Vencord Installer. That'll download an.exe file. If you already have it downloaded, skip this step. Now go to your Downloads folder. Find the installer and double-click to open it. Click Install, and once it says Successfully Patched, hit OK. Next, open up your Discord app. Go into Settings, and you'll now see a Vencord section added in your sidebar. That means it's installed and ready to go. That's it. You're all set with Vencord. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment if you want a follow-up video on how to install themes and plugins. Catch you in the next one. Peace.